News alert. News alert. I'm sure this could happen, and if children out of the room, take the children out of the room. Remove the children from your living spaces. This could happen in any country, but always, of course, it's in the Philippines because it's National Geographic. Raise it up. Now, if you like what we're doing here, raise your paw. Let me hear from you. Or does anybody want to guess? It's just another part of noise. I mean, we can just stand here and pretend like it's not happening. Okay, but just another part of the noise, and there you have it. Yeah. All right. Well, this is Mrs. Butterworth. We'll talk to you later. Let them alone.
Bye.
Where's the rock?